Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini kilum ki khubor bam tegasngi. Ukertong na penthor umkra constituency ba AL heg ulali thep kerteng ban yakun election na penthor umkra constituency nagaseng BJP. Dagi hajar ngut ki pat nyong kershan kunthop yaki nong tray ka party ki balasan ran ya uba. Uba heng uday u MLA bala job san sin kenthi sau sin naga BJP ubala persya menta ya u badai uba PNCM MDC naga Kongres u hab yale kai lang ru bat u persa kurla jong uba roki heng naga seng NPP kentup ru ya u samla me bonding do naga VPP. Uba heng haba ai jingpren syakilat pathai kubor balada ke BJP kayo bantau sarkar hadin ke election lati kena ba unyo abad ya ke syuki menteri rangba ke jela. Uba hek ula penpau ya kini hadin ke jingwan thep kerteng kum ukertong sya ke election MLA ar hajar ar fulai ya kabala senran de menteri ke sarkar pedeng Dr. Jitendra Singh Kmie ya ke Ministry of Science and Technology. Uba heng ula ong bakamat bahakmat ban yakun hakani ke election menta ka kenti kadai kumno bantau kilat linti yokam ya ki khun samla ka penthor umkra constituency bad ke jilla baro kawe. Namar ke jing shania baga jing kershan ki pat ba ngati kena bangan job biang ban nga kermen ru baka party kan job bun ki kertong hakani ke election. Lada ke BJP ka thau sarkar hadin kani ke election banwan ngan shimti kum umentri rangba ka jilla ong uba heng. Habaya day baka jingkno bakum u MLA uklemla bantray bahana ka benta ka constituency uba hek ulo ong balada ki pat ba ki yo i ba u MLA uklemle ai na ka benta ka constituency kenum penjob yo u hadu sansin. Ulo ong baha ka election kin mi bet ki jingkno hanre ki pat ba ki long ki bastad bat ki yo i ya ka ai ka ba ki nong mi khmat ki le na ka benta ka constituency bat ki pat ba nong shong shnong. Namar kani uba hek ulo ong balada ka BJP kayo thau sarkar bat kayalam ya ka sarkar hadin ka election ka sarkar BJP kan sedang ya ka jingtok kit persya ya ki basya kenno kam bamsam. Lada ka BJP kayo banyalam ya ka sarkar jela tang hapoh khandai phosngi kan sedang ka jingtok kit persya ya ki jingkenno bamsam bat nga kular hapi baro babaro ki basya kenno bamsam kin ngat kat kum ki kendon ka an ong uba heng.
Sent to CBI. Nobody will be spared. Nobody will be spared for corruption. I'm telling you. In 6 months, everybody they will be inquiry will be sent to the CBI. I'm telling you. This is I'm giving assurance to all of you. Any opponent who are fighting for the election, those people who can see the eye, they make them blind. Those people are perfectly walking. They make them lame. So that is the role of the opponents. That's all only I know. There's no difficult at all. I've told you, you have seen the crowd, the love of the people while we are coming from our residence to file our nominations today. You have seen how much immensely the love, the support of the people we have. That also with the back with all our Hek family in our Pynurlong constituency. I told you, no, there is there always people. The opposition is always there to tell you the negative thing. But how you have not seen the positive thing which is coming campaigning with me together? See the positive thing also, don't see only the negative thing. There's no government will form without the BJP, number one. Okay. And the BJP will get more, the 2 digits election and will have the double engine government. The double-engine government, Narendra Modi government at Delhi and the Narendra Modi government in Meghalaya. Double-engine government, double multi-fold development for Meghalaya. Multi-fold development.
Sir, since